This is a Tommy's Margarita. This is a Tommy's Margarita made with pseudo citrus lime juice. Right now I'm going to try them side by side to see how the pseudo citrus matches up against real lime juice. And then I'm going to drink them both anyway. So to start, we got to get out the blender. And we need a scale. We need some real life limes. I'm not sure how many. We need 30 grams of lime peel. Avoid the pith as much as possible. Now this is the newest version of Super Juice, and it was created by Brian Tash. Up until now, my favorite version of Super Juice is the original Nickel Morris Super Juice. But this one is different because it doesn't use the juice from the limes. It only uses the peel. So it actually has a longer shelf life. I get about 4 weeks out of this as opposed to 2 weeks, which for those of you who are mathematicians is about 3 times as long. It took me 4 to 5 limes to get 30 grams. I can still use these for juice, so I'm gonna do that in a moment. Now to the 30 grams of lime peel, we wanna add 30 grams of sugar. Now take 24 grams of citric acid, 12 grams of malic acid, and don't lick the spoons when you're done with this. I mean, you can if you want to, but I don't recommend it. 1 gram of sea salt. For me, it's usually about a 3-finger pinch. 3-finger pinch, by the way, was my nickname in college. Half a liter of water. Now the fun part. Get out your little poster nut bag. Is this fun? Is this fun? Now let me just wash my nut bag, and then I will make the drinks. This is going to be a Tommy's Margarita, which used to be my favorite kind of margarita, and then it stopped being my favorite margarita, but maybe it will be again starting right now. I only have 1 shaker tin, so I have to make them one at a time, which is kind of a nuisance. That's life, baby. 1/2 ounce of agave syrup. The pseudo juice one first. 1 ounce of lime juice. 2 ounces of Blanco tequila. I'm not gonna salt the rims because I don't want to. So I'm just gonna hit each one of these with 2 drops of salt water. I'm gonna use 1 glass that has Andy Cohen's face on it and 1 that says Jack Hole. We'll put the super juice in the Jack Hole. 1/2 ounce of agave syrup. 1 ounce of actual lime juice. And 2 ounces of Blanco tequila. 2 drops of salt water. Strain it into the other glass. Shuffle them up. Definitely already lost track. It happens in the blink of an eye, I tell you. Tommy's Margarita with one type of juice or another to the confusion of our enemies. I think that's the pseudo juice. The other one. Yeah, I maintain. I think this one's the pseudo juice. Oh! This is the real juice! This one is far more acidic and sharp than the real juice. Oh my goodness. I think I just talked myself out of making super juice this way. Well, this is not the outcome I expected. So yeah, I mean, here's the deal. I am disappointed in this outcome because I can definitely tell a difference here, and this is much smoother. I don't know why I expected this one to be the pseudo citrus when I tasted it. It's sweeter, that's why. You can tell I'm serious about this because I'm wearing a hat today. Can we just dial down the acid a little bit? I think next time I will do that. I'm glad I did this. I can't believe I've never done this before. Tested these side by side. I learned something today, and I hope that you did too, and I hope that your legs don't hurt anymore, and I hope that, you know, you and your wife work it out.